In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Davinci Resolve. First, open the Davinci Resolve app and load the project you're working on, or create a new one. Make sure you're on the edit page so you can see your media pool and timeline. Now let's bring your music into the project. At the top, click File, choose Import, then Media. This opens your system browser where you can select the audio file you want to use. Resolve supports common formats like WAV and MP3, but higher quality files like WAV are usually best. If you prefer, you can also import from inside the media pool. Just right-click in any empty space in the media pool and select Import Media, then pick your file. Another quick option is to drag your audio directly from your File Explorer or Finder into the media pool. Use whichever method feels fastest to you. As a quick tip, it helps to keep your music in a clearly labeled bin so you can stay organized as your project grows. Once your track is in the media pool, drag it from there down onto your timeline. Place it where you want the music to start. For cleaner mixing, it's best to put it on a new audio track, such as A2 or A3, below your main video audio on A1. This keeps dialogue or on-camera sound separate from background music and makes level adjustments easier. If snapping is enabled, your clip will align neatly to edit points. To adjust the volume, hover your cursor over the thin horizontal line that runs through the middle of the audio waveform in the timeline. When the cursor changes to a double arrow, drag up to raise the volume or down to lower it. Aim for a level that supports your voice or main audio without overpowering it. Subtle is usually better for background tracks. To create smooth entrances and exits, add fades. Move to the top corner of the audio clip and you'll see a small white handle. Drag that handle inward to add a fade in at the start or do the same at the end for a fade out. Longer fades feel gentler, shorter fades feel snappier. Adjust until the transition sounds natural. Finally, trim your music to fit the edit. Hover over either edge of the audio clip and drag to shorten or lengthen it so it matches your cut. This is great for tightening a section or ending right on a beat. That's it. Import your track, place it on its own lane, set levels, add fades, and trim to taste. Press play to review, make small tweaks, and you're done.